Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your home screen layout or customize the start page on the Steam mobile application. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the Steam application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the main home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, click on Settings. Under Settings, go to Home Screen and tap the drop-down right next to it. Now select your preferred home screen options. You'll see different options such as Library, News, Store, Profile, etc. Select your preferred screen that you want Steam to open by default. I'm just going to select Inventory. After you do that, you can get back to the home page. Force close your Steam application on your mobile device and open it again, and you have successfully changed or customized the start page on the Steam mobile application. Next time you launch the Steam app, it'll go straight to the screen that you selected. I hope you found the video helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode like this. Thank you for watching.